Hey everybody, it's your old pal Willie White Gloves here, also known as Drawn to You. And today we're drawing this character, the bride, from The Bride of Frankenstein.
Subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share.
I'm sure if you know this character, you know that the title of the film, The Bride of Frankenstein, is a bit of a misnomer because this bride is meant for the monster, not Dr. Frankenstein. Dr. Frankenstein creates the monster, and this character is created to be a companion to the monster. And having said that, the title does have a secondary meaning. If you look at the life of director James Whale and watch the movie, not even that carefully, it's pretty obvious what the other meaning of it is.
Subscribe and share.
If you're interested in The Bride of Frankenstein, you may also be interested in a film from 1998 called Gods and Monsters, about the life of James Whale, the director of Bride of Frankenstein and other films. This movie stars Ian McKellen as James Whale and has a 96% rating on Rotten Tomatoes. This is one of my favorite things, to go in here with a very thin-tipped Pigma Micron and do this kind of scribbling right here. I really like to do that kind of stuff. And we're almost finished with this, and we're going to start working on the background here pretty soon. Well, we're coming up on the end of this one here. So, yep, there's the signature and there's our final product. We had a good time with this one. Hope you did too. And until next time, I'm drawn to you.